Hello everyone, this video is about Eraser in Kindle. Eraser is in the upper part of toolbar. We can use it to clear the specified content, including chemical bonds, elements, text, brackets, flowcharts, etc. Long press the eraser to switch to the Clear tool. When deleting a single drawing element, we only need to select Eraser and then click where you want, and the deletion will be successful. When deleting multiple elements, we first need to use the Marquee tool to select the part to be deleted, and then click the eraser to delete the corresponding content. Use the eraser to click the connection point of the bond in the structural formula to delete all the chemical bonds connected to the joint. The eraser can also be used to change the type of bonds. Use the eraser to click the double bond, and it will become single. You can also click the triple bond to make it double bond. Press and hold the eraser to switch to the Clear tool. Click the Clear tool, you can empty the drawing board.